Well, got it again. There's the progressive again. Got it again on 10 cents. Still playing with the same money. Up and down, up and down, up and down. A couple decent line hits, but no bonus. Come on, drop a minor here. Give me something nice. Keep me alive. Come on, come on, stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it. Oh, you sucker. Last spin. Thank you. And thank you again if you give me another one. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance again. Come on now. Last spin. Stick one. Yeah, you suck. Alright. It is what it is. I'm still up. Good enough for me. Okay, so let's go to 5. We're gonna play up and down with this now. Up now, come on, back down. Go up. It's playing hard to get this one here, huh? Well, I guess I'll come back if I get anything. Okay, playing a little bit of Lightning Link, Happy Lantern. Just got the bonus. I put $60 in. 2 nickel denominations, $1.25. Wish me luck. Needs the progressives up there. Mini and mine is nice. Major max is out at 1,000. Come on, let's do it. God, numbers are getting better. Mini, beautiful. Take it. Sorry about the camera. Come on. Last one. Now stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it. Oh, I got trumpets. I don't know why. Let's see what it gets. Bad. Put 60 in, and I got 124. So I doubled my money. Let's play a little bit more, see if it has any more juice in it. Let's see what happens. I don't know. This song's really loud here, so it's gonna kill me. I may have to put some music over this. One more. 3. Again, I don't know why I'm counting. I'll put music over if I have to. I'll play a little bit more. Actually, you know what? Let's go to 10 cents. Let's try 10 cents. So that's $2.50 a spin on this one. Let's see what happens. You never know. One more now. Thank you. There you go. It's almost a back-to-back. I'll take it. Alright, now which one do I pick? I don't know. That one looks pretty. It looks pretty today. Hold the spin, please. Hold the spin. Oh, that's the worst shit you can get. That's the worst one. That's the worst one. Why even get a bonus? That's terrible. Come on. Get it over with. Get the suffering over with. There you go. $7.60. Let's play a little more. Maybe it feels sorry for me. It's a computer. It doesn't feel anything. But it's nice. It's nice to think that, right? You know what? You think about it a second. You think about it a second. I don't know about this 10 cents anymore. Come on, show me you're alive. There you go. That's something. What does that pay? 21? Something. Show me you're alive at least. More live play and then that's it. Alright, my battery is getting low. I'll come back if I get anything. Alright, just put 200 in Pocket Link Eureka Real Blast. These are the progressives. I just got playing 10 cent denomination, $5 spin. The fourth spin in, I got it. So let's go. Let's fill it up. Oh, nice. Okay. Get that bottom one right there now. Come on, come on, come on. 3 more spins. That's nice. Okay, 2 more spins. What can we do? What can we do? Last spin. Alright. That's decent. Should be able to pull a minor out of that. We'll see. 10 cent denomination. Let's go. Mini. Minor. Alright, better than the mini. 150. I'll take it. Okay, I put 200 in. Let's play a little bit more. See if it has anything extra for me here. I just finished playing 2 other ones of these. Oh, that was close. My stomach hurts. Gives me agita. It's toying with me. I paid 15. No. $30. Oh, is it toying with me? I kind of like it. If it goes cold on me in the next 6 spins, I'm out. Let's see what happens. Last one. What a blocker. I'm gonna go a little bit more. You know, I'm gonna play 250. And then I'm out. Promises, promises. 250 or 300, whatever comes first. Ooh, teasing. Yeah, thank you. Block me. All right, last one. That's it. Good enough for me. I'm out. I got to check in my hotel room. They just called me anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.